Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. And the first of tonight's nightcaps, it's just a short nightcap. It's a little bit of a fabrication job. I mentioned that I had the Arcdroid CNC robot to do a review on. I make a little cutting table for that to do its thing on. I hope you find it interesting. In part 2, it's kind of normal service resumed. I do a repair on a Range Rover doorstep actuator, bit of machining, bit of milling, some aluminium welding. I'm sure you'll find that interesting. I did mention on Wednesday that I've got some Doubleboost hats for sale. I've actually got one on, as you can no doubt see. If you'd like to buy a Doubleboost hat and support me, the item number on eBay is up there. There's also a direct link to the item in the introduction box. I've actually run out of them. So if you haven't received your hat yet, it will be in the post on Tuesday. I've got another batch coming. They have been selling very well, so why not treat your girlfriend, boyfriend, partner or whatever to one of my Doubleboost hats. I've been having a little bit play around with this new Arcdroid CNC cutting machine. I'm still waiting for the plasma cutter to come from Artec. That should be here next week, so we can start on the video proper. I've decided to mount the Arcdroid on these two, the actually old runners off my old table. I went across there when the table was 2 foot square. So I've got it on there, I've shimmed it up, it's sitting nice and level. I've had a spirit level on there and it is pretty good. Actually an engineer's level, and it is very good. I need a table down here for it to cut on. I've found 2 bits of decent box section that the table can sit on. And I've got a load of scrap 3mm plate. So I think what I'll do a drone and just cut out some slats and make something like this just to sit on top of here for the Arcdroid to do its cutting on. Once that's done, we can put this back on here and start setting things up. I'll just normally use sort of 20 by 3mm strip steel. I haven't got any, but I have got a table that's perfectly capable of cutting some out for us. I've cut 4 end pieces out of 4mm. It's got a good face and a not so good face. That's where it started to cut. So I'm going to put the good face down on the flat face, and that'll be the top of the table when it's finished. This is ideal, this little jig, just to keep it nice and square. And I can MIG weld down there, turn it around, get all 4 together. I'll probably put some corner pieces in to reinforce it, and then just fill it in with slats. It's going to work out quite nicely. I can set it up so the 2 corners are just touching like that, and then a little bit of MIG down there will be ideal. Nice and square and true. Really good start. The base has got to be as flat as you can possibly make it. This table is plus or minus ½ so you can't go far wrong at that. That's going to go very far really. We'll tack all 4 corners, and I will make a little brace piece to go in there. Happy with that. That's the basic square. I'll make some corner pieces to go into it, and then it's going to be good to go. I've dressed the corner piece up, it's all clamped in nice and flat and square. These are the corners it's going to sit on. These are the corners it's going to sit on, so they need to be nice and flat, which they are. What do you mean, you haven't made the bastard thing smaller, the same size as that table, but we're getting there. Oh. Right, so that's the setup I've got. That's obviously nice and flat because it was welded on a flat welding table. It's on two bits of box section. All this is square, so it's not pace wobbly, it's nice and level. And the droid actually cuts a bigger arc. The area it cuts is actually bigger than the table I've made for it, but for what I want to do with it, it'll be ideal. All I want to do is like an evaluation or a review and see what I actually think of it. But I might as well make a little table for it, and then when it goes back, the little table can go with it, and the next person that gets it, it'll save out to make one of them. So I think now is the read the instructions time. I need a flat sheet to go on here so I can calibrate it. I've got a bit of quarter plate that'll go on there quite nicely, and I'm looking forward to having a bit of play with it. I really am.